Thank you for joining me. I'm Alex, and I want to talk about Whirlpool. So, they make appliances mostly like washers and dryers, but other stuff as well, obviously. Current price $190, which gives them a market cap of $11.8 billion. Obviously, fairly small company market cap wise, but definitely very well known. Revenue $19.5 billion, slightly down. Earnings $1.1 billion, also slightly down. Current PE is 11 with a forward PE of 10. Nice. Very nice. Dividend yield 2.68% with a payout ratio of 28%. Again, pretty nice. Total assets $20.4 billion. Total liabilities $15.6 billion, which gives them total stockholders' equity of $3.8 billion. Not in love with this balance sheet, but it's decent-ish. It's also 30-ish% of their market cap. So really do like this balance sheet. Risk factors, I don't really think there are any, to be honest. Samsung started selling stuff in the US, also other countries, obviously. Whirlpool, not really that active all over the world, but very US focused. So, beyond Samsung entering the market, which has already happened, I don't think there's really too many risk factors here. Definitely far fewer risk factors than pretty much any other company I've covered so far. So overall, I would say that for a growth investor, obviously this is not the company. It's more of a stable company that is more or less done growing unless they want to get into different markets. For a value investor, the balance sheet is but the PE is very nice. Earnings growth obviously kind of a problem, but there's also like a global pandemic and everything, so I would cut them some slack for that. The dividend is a nice bonus on top of that, so I think that's very interesting for a value investor to look into and maybe dig a little deeper. For a dividend investor, I think this is a very, very good company to look into. The dividend is really nice. The payout ratio is pretty low. Balance sheet is nice. Obviously, there's currently no growth, and I would expect growth to be fairly steady. But overall, I think that pretty much everything looks really good for a dividend investment here. That's it for me for today. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe. I'm coming out with more videos every day before market open. I hope you have a successful day.